Hello friends, welcome to Android Gateway YouTube channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to pass GoTranscript audio test. First of all, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel. So, first step is you must read Go transcription guideline rule. These guideline rule is very important. You must apply all these guideline rules to the audio test before submitting it. Without applying guidelines, you never pass Go transcript audio test. This clean verbatim section is very important. You need to apply all these clean verbatim guideline into the audio test. Other guideline is also important. You need to read all these transcription guidelines all the way to the end 1 to 2 times. This will help you during the audio test exam as well as MCQ test. So these guidelines must be applied before submitting the audio test. Without applying guidelines, you never pass Go transcript audio test. So let's move to the audio test. I already transcribed audio file. You need to apply all these transcription guideline rules into it before submitting the audio test. If you are not apply these transcription guideline rules, you never pass Go transcript audio test. You need to must apply all these transcription guideline rules before submitting the audio test. So let's start the audio test.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
I've got these 5 eggs from Russia. One of them depicts the belfry of Peter the Great in Moscow. Frankly, I think Peter had a few bats up there, but the eggs from the convent of Eichstätt seem to have a Bavarian different idea. The Ukrainian eggs are baticked up pretty good. The quatrefoil-like motif of Mrs. Olena Genkalo warms the cockles of my heart, as do the 4 hen's eggs from Moldavia. The red monochrome eggs used in the Greek Orthodox tradition don't do a whole lot for me, although I do appreciate red doors. After all, Dougie was able to find his way home from Rancho Rosa by looking for Janie Eve's red door. Be careful with that dye, though. Austrians, as well as some Pennsylvania Dutch, believe that if the dye penetrates the shell and stains the egg white, whoever eats it will be poisoned. Given the generally harmless chemicals used in today's egg coloring kits, though, I think we can give pass a pass, don't you?
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
Industries in Europe used an essential outreaching movement, which today is visible everywhere. Beauty remains no longer in scornful isolation, divorced from use. Nope, descending into the domain of everyday existence, this gal incorporates her divine essence in all the forms of common life, pervading the lowest spheres, raising and ennobling the humblest details by her purifying and vivifying presence. The hardest and heaviest materials, like wood, iron, and stone, become plastic under the workman's hand, assuming the most brilliant polish. The lightest and most elegant forms. Greats are great. Keeping an iron in the fire, a range in the kitchen, and a Domana fridge in avocado green are the ultimate goals of today's house husbands and wives. Those who imagine that art has died out of the world and sigh for the chisel of Praxiteles, the pencil of Apelles, and the glorious conceptions of the masters of the Middle Ages would do well to visit Prince Albert's Crystal Palace, not to mention calling ahead to ask if he's still in the can. Art is not dead. It's throwing out wider and deeper roots. and will bear richer fruits in the garden of the future, enriched by the mingled detritus of bygone ages.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
So friend, this is the audio test for today. I hope this audio is helpful for you, and before submitting it you need to apply all GoTranscription guideline rule into it. Without applying guidelines you never pass GoTranscript audio test. So this is the video for today. I hope you like this video, and please subscribe my channel for more latest updates. Thank you very much. See you soon.